Hi, this is Dr. Nishal, and in this video, we're going to be talking about asthma and how to treat it naturally and effectively. So before getting into the actual treatment, let's look at the preventative aspects first in terms of preventing asthma-related emergencies and hospitalizations. What actually helps you to prevent asthma-related emergencies is vitamin D. In a study, it reduced these emergencies by 50%. So it's definitely one of the first things you want to use. Now you might be wondering, what is the big deal about vitamin D? Well, it's responsible for so many things. People often think that it's just for calcium and mineral absorption, but it's actually used for several things. Multiple sclerosis, which is a brain disorder, the duration and severity of the flu, and there's so many things. If you Google the use of vitamin D, it's related to preventing cancer and so many other things. It's extremely important, and a lot of people tend to be deficient in it, even if they're getting enough sunlight. So that's the first thing. Secondly, while we're on the topic of nutrition, choline, also known as vitamin B4, is also very effective in reducing the frequency as well as the severity of asthma. And so those are two very important things. Firstly, vitamin D, specifically D3 is the best one to supplement with, choline, which is vitamin B4, and magnesium is also very important because you see, when you have an asthma attack and the muscles, the smooth muscles, actually contract, and that causes the narrowing of the airways. So to keep those muscles relaxed, you want to make sure you have enough magnesium. And magnesium can be supplemented as well, or it can be you can get it from your diet. I'll post a list of choline-rich foods and magnesium-rich foods in the description of this video, so you can increase the amount of these things in your diet. Now, getting to actually improving lung function and improving the symptoms of asthma, what's important, there are two things. Firstly, pycnogenol. Pycnogenol is an extract from pine bark, and it's been used in clinical studies. It improves lung function. It's quite an impressive supplement to use. The second thing is carom seeds or ajwain. Now this has also been used in a clinical study, actually a boiled extract, which is actually quite easy to make a boiled extract. There's many ways to do it, but this has shown bronchodilatory effects, and it has improved pulmonary function test results in patients with asthma. So those are two things for improving lung function. That's pycnogenol and carom seeds, also known as ajwain. Now that's the simple things that you can use for treating this condition. Now there are other things as well, but that involves you're going to have to get an Ayurvedic doctor to help you with that. There are many options in Ayurvedic medicine. People often go and read up things online and then they go buy supplements. Here's the thing. Ayurvedic medicine is often never used as tablets. It's very rarely used as tablets and capsules. The which is why when people buy these things and they tell me that they've tried it, I almost always know that they didn't take it the right way. Ayurvedic medicine has to be used under a doctor's supervision, but I'll tell you a little bit about it and about a few things that are used in combination. So don't just go and Google these things and just buy them and take them, because it's not going to be in combination with anything. The first one is Vasa. Vasa's the botanical name is Avocado vasica. This is a potent bronchodilator. It contains one of the phytochemicals, chemical constituents is known as vasacine, and this has been seen in other medicinal plants as well that also have that are also known bronchodilators. And so this is what we use usually in combination with several other things, usually an antihistamine herb, and something that can boost immunity as well. So we combine it with herbs like tulsi and turmeric and several bioavailability enhancers and metabolism regulators and things that improve the function of the digestive system itself. So this was my take on asthma and treating it naturally. I hope this information helped you. And if you'd like to get in touch with me, you can do so through my website, drnishal.com. I do online consults for patients all over the world. And I will see you in the next video.